Hello again everyone, Ken from Whittling Woods, back again with a short announcement video. The last three videos we did, I showed you how I whittle this type of figure here. We did it in a lot of detail. The first video was the rough out, second video was the detail work, and the third video was the painting. So you got to see how I go through my process, and I'll have links to everything right up over here if you're interested in watching those videos. They're quite long, but if you're interested in that kind of stuff, check them out. But during those videos, more importantly, I notified everyone that we're going to be giving away this little knife here. Well, it's not a little knife, but we're giving it away. One of my viewers and good buddy, Blackbart, aka Mark, makes knives, and he made this knife with the express intention of having me give it away in one of my videos here. So the process was, if you recall, that you may leave a comment in the three videos, the three-part series that I did on this figure here, commenting that you're interested in obtaining that knife. And I'm going to show you shortly how I chose the winner. What I did basically, and I'll have a little video clip of me going through the process over here, probably as I'm as I'm talking, so you'll see how I did it. Essentially, I looked at the videos. I use a random comment picker, and you can find them online. And basically, you put in some information, you put the video in, you specify some specifics that you want to look for. And basically, in this case, all I put in there, you'll see in the video that I just put in there Blackbart. So, because I told everyone that if you're interested in a knife, make sure you say I'm interested in the Blackbart04 knife. So I put that in there, and I did a random check on each of the videos. So you'll see as it's running here, the three people that were picked in video 1, video 2, and video 3. And then I went and I went into a random number generator and chose a number between 1 and 3. And in this case, it chose video number 3. Michael, you're the lucky winner of this here Blackbart04 knife. And Michael's, I'll show you also some of the comments that he left regarding the videos and the knife. They'll show up coming up here. And that's it. So Michael, just so you know, as I mentioned, you are the winner. You'll see your name floating around the screen over here with your comments. Reach out to me so we can exchange information, and I just need your address essentially, and I'll ship the knife on out to you. So you can find a link to my contact information in the homepage of my video. Go to the About section, and you'll see a link for email contact. Reach out to me that way, and we can exchange. Or you can send me your address, and we'll ship the knife out to you. But again, I want to thank everyone who watched and commented. Unfortunately, we don't have 100 knives to give away, unless Mark wants to get real busy and start making about 100 knives. I'm kidding. I won't say that, because knowing Mark, he'll do that. But I'm only kidding. We may be doing another knife giveaway down the road here, so keep that in mind. But anyway, that's all. I just wanted to let you know who the winner is of the knife, and I appreciate everyone who commented about the videos and about the knife and everything else. It was big thumbs up to everyone, and that's it. Congratulations to the winner, Michael. And like I said, reach out to me and we'll exchange information and get this knife on out to you. So that's about it. I hope you all have a great whittling week. Talk to you soon. Take care.